Everyone knows golf, like all sports, is as much a mental game as it is a game of skill. And when both happen at the same time, you're in what is called the flow state. Now, the flow state is a waking trance where you are completely absorbed and focused on the task of taking that shot. And you may have experienced this state many times before while playing golf. And as it is when everything falls into place with no effort at all, both mentally and skillfully. This is the flow state. So how can you experience more of this state of flow? And what stops you? The answer to this question is your thoughts, both conscious and unconscious, and how both influence your body. So to demonstrate to you how mind and body are connected and influenced by your thinking, I would like you to just make yourself comfortable for a moment and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs, and release that now. Alright, so that breath was a conscious decision to take a deep breath in by filling your lungs with air, more air than is required for your survival, whereas normally a part of you looks after how much air you need to breathe without your conscious attention for your survival needs. Alright, as you are relaxed there, breathing, I don't want you to think how your feet feel. Whatever you do, don't notice now how your feet feel. Make sure whatever you do, not to think about how those feet feel. Alright, what did you just do? You did exactly what I said not to do. The point being, if you place your attention on what you want or what you don't want, a part of you allows both the do's and the don'ts to happen. So how does this important information help you with your mental game of golf? With this knowledge you have received and applying the easy to apply EFT technique, you will make changes that will improve your mental game of golf and allow the skills you have acquired through practice flow. So by applying EFT, you will help eliminate thoughts of doubt, such as, I won't be able to make that shot, or maybe, I'm not good enough. Perhaps even thinking, they are better than me. Because you know many great golfers miss shots that they have done time and time again successfully because of what is in their thoughts at that time. And also many people bring their personal and work lives to their game, even by thinking they will go for a game of golf to forget any outside influences. By this very thought, the opposite happens time and time again, just like don't think of how your feet feel.